If you feel stuck in this pentatonic box, this guitar lesson is for you. Or if you've tried to play melodically by using triads and arpeggios in the past before, but you're not really sure how to use them properly, or if you did get them sounding good, it was completely by accident. This lesson is also for you. This is the first time we're meeting. My name is Alec Lehrman. I've played on Grammy-nominated recordings. I've played with A-list celebrities from Jonathan McReynolds to Sabrina Claudio to the Chainsmokers, Aloe Blacc, BTS. And I've taught thousands of guitar students like you the lesson I'm going to share with you today. As always, you can download the backing track below in the description. And if you want a deeper dive on the stuff we are covering today, I have a course called the Fretboard Breakthrough. It's waiting for you in the description as well. Today's lesson is going to be broken up into two parts. The first part, I am going to demonstrate what's happening by soloing over a backing track. And the second part is explaining exactly how you can get this sound. So let's first orient ourselves. We are in the key of C and the chord progression goes C to F. So C to F. Those are the chords. Now, the way you can orient yourself is by finding that famous box shape, that pentatonic box shape, which is right here on the 8th fret. It's a C. C major pentatonic is also equivalent to A minor pentatonic. They're the exact same notes. However, you might be tempted to start playing that scale, and playing that scale, while it'll sound kind of correct, is actually not the right way you should be soloing. You should be soloing first and foremost by playing triads. Triads are simply 3-note chords. Tri meaning three, so 3-note chords. So a triad looks and sounds like this. That is a C triad, and this is an F triad. So we are going to be using those two triads to solo. Now you're using those triads as the foundation of your solo. You can decorate the house with that pentatonic scale, but the foundation of the house needs to be those triads. So let's hear what that sounds like, and let's walk through together exactly how to implement this. First, we are going to listen one time through to this chord progression. I can't tell you how many players just want to start playing and soloing. First, we listen. That's C. This is F. F. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is play the C triad, and then play the F triad. You're going to notice how perfect it sounds. And what you can do from there is you can also add some of the pentatonic, like that. But really, you're building that house. You have the foundation of that house with the triads. So you're going to be playing the triad, and you don't have to play it as a chord like that. You can play them one note at a time. So rather than strumming everything together, you can play them one note at a time. That's called arpeggiating. Has a really, really pretty sound to it when you're arpeggiating the notes. And then you can always add that pentatonic on top of the arpeggios and the triads. And you can go to different string sets with those triads, so that would look and sound like this. That's a C, and then this is a That's an F. So now let's experiment with all these different options. Let's add a pentatonic run. Let's add a pentatonic run. Add a little pentatonic, maybe a little blues. And the key is that you are building that house with the triads. It's gonna sound so perfect, and most guitar players just want to play this pentatonic. And it doesn't sit as nice as playing the triads. It just doesn't. And so if you want a deeper dive on this, I have a course that's waiting for you. It's called the Fretboard Breakthrough. A lot more detail on this subject matter. By doing this exercise just a few minutes a day, you will absolutely transform your playing. You're gonna now start coloring inside the lines. Before, with the pentatonic scale, you're kind of just coloring all outside the lines. I mean, it looks fine, but it's not precise. You're gonna notice that your playing is gonna transform from amateur sounding to professional sounding. This is exactly how all your favorite guitar players, from Mark Knopfler to Isaiah Sharkey, this is how they all solo. Now, of course, there's a lot more to learn, but if you can understand this fundamental concept, your playing will transform. It will get better, especially as you are playing over the backing track and practicing that. So I encourage you, if you haven't, to go download that backing track. If you want a deeper dive, there is a course waiting for you in the description. And now that you understand this fundamental aspect of guitar soloing, you're going to want to check out this so you can skyrocket your skills.